In question 1, we have to find the set of values of k for which the curve y equals to kx square minus 3x and the line y equals to x minus k do not meet. Now, as we are talking about an unknown constant and there's a quadratic equation, so we will be using the discriminant. And as the line and the curve are not meeting, it means it will be less than 0. So in the first step, we'll equate the equation of the curve, which is kx square minus 3x, with the equation of the line, which is x minus k. Bringing the x minus k on the left-hand side, this will become kx square minus x minus 3x plus k equals to 0. Taking x common over here, so this will become minus 1. So minus x minus 3x, so that will become minus 4x plus k. Now the coefficient of x square is k, so a will be equals to k. The coefficient of x is minus 4 and the coefficient of the constant term is k, so c will be equals to k. So applying b squared minus 4ac, this will become minus 4 whole squared minus 4 into a into c, and that will be less than 0. So this will become 16 minus 4k squared will be less than 0. Now we can factorize this, and this can be written as, so we can first divide this by 4. So this will become 4 minus k squared less than 0. And factorizing this, this will become 2 minus k and 2 plus k as less than 0. Now, once we have these values of k, we have to give the correct inequality sign with them. So making the points on a graph. So one of the values is plus 2 and one of the values is minus 2. Now, b square minus 4ac has to be less than 0, which means it will be a negative. So this curve will be negative between these two values of k. So the values of k will be k greater than. So this will become k will be, okay, so there'll be one difference over here, as we had a negative k squared over here. So you would have to make it first of all positive. So this will, if we may write it as 4k squared minus 16, this would have become greater than 0. And then dividing this by 4, this will become k squared minus 4 greater than 0. And this will become k minus 2 and k plus 2 as greater than 0. Now, when you're doing an inequality equation, let's say we know that if 9 is greater than 8, so minus 9 will be less than minus 8. So if you're changing the sign of the constant we are trying to find, this sign switches around. So this will become k minus 2 and k plus 2 is greater than 0. Now, as this is now greater than 0, so this curve will be positive or greater than 0 when we are going towards the right from 2 and to the left from minus 2. So the values of k will be, so k will be greater than 2 and k will be less than minus 2.